You just found the 2023 Toyota 4Runner. This rugged 4Runner delivers serious off-road capability, a comfortable interior, and family-friendly practicality. Enjoy the great outdoors like never before in this astonishingly versatile vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Don't miss the chance to make your off-road dreams come true. Get behind the wheel of this rugged 4Runner and go. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.